Jasmy Army, Keith at Crypto Bullseye, pat yourself on the back. You're trading at 0.01822 and you put in a new high. There was the lower high. You put in a higher high. You've taken back the biggest retail indicator of them all, the 200 daily moving average. We were preparing for this. We were preparing for this up here. We'd said we needed to come down here. Once we'd come down here, we needed to maintain a higher low structure. Once we got a higher low structure, we needed a break of trend. Once we got a break of trend, then we need to see where this bad boy takes us. That bad boy actually broke the 200 daily moving average in one swing. It actually put in a new higher high. Now we're coming back. We need to test an area of support and reclaim that area, but it's full ball now for Jasmy. We're talking projections, not retracements. So it's an important one. It's an exciting one. Pat yourself on the back and let's dive in. Right, okay, now preparation phase 2. Now that we turn in bullish, you've got to expect to turn bullish because the trend is your friend till the bend at the end. And remember that, guys. So we're looking for now swing projections rather than swing retracements using our Fibonacci. And what we're going to do is we're going to look for complements, going to look for key areas. But remember, we want our wave 3 to be bigger than our wave 1. So if we use that metric, we can look at extension levels to find if that coincides with any key previous resistance levels on a higher macro time frame. And that's going to give us our projections for the swing 3. Expect a pullback for swing 4 and then another big swing 5. But we're not there yet. We're going to measure it. We're going to continue to do Jasmy updates. And let's just see exactly where we are now, for example. So we're using our extension tool this time. So exciting, right, guys? Extensions this time, not retracements. So we're using our extension from the swing low all the way to the swing high, and then we're going to pivot it down here to the swing low. And then what we're looking for, you tell me, guys, what we're looking for. We want a wave 3 to be bigger than wave 1. What does that mean? We want really a 1272 extension. So let's see where the 1272 extension takes us in here, because you've got your 1-to-1 equal measure move here, just that's 0.02451. And you've got up here the 1272. So your 1272 extension, that coincides with a big resistance barrier. What is that big resistance barrier? That is the 38.2% retracement from this big swing here, which is also the 1272 extension, which is the extension that we expect to get a reaction from. That gives you double confluence. That gives you the targets for this next move. So a push up all the way up here, 0.02738 to 0.02760. That creates a little range. So that little range is going to be your next big resistance point. So is price just going to fly all the way up there, or does it need to coil up even further? So we're going to bring our retracement tool, see what kind of sticking points that we're getting as far as fib's concerned, and see if we're breaking the 61.8, because that's showing strength. If we are breaking the 61.8, and you can see we've just tested the 78.6, that's strong. That's showing that the bears haven't got much control because the bulls have managed to take all the way up to the 78.6 before we've got a retracement and a cool off. If we get a cool off, come back down here at 0.01668, we've got the 200 moving average to fall back on, and we've got a big area of traded volume, which is going to act as support. So they're the retracement levels. We are overbought now. So you're overbought. You want to come back down, come back down, come back down before you can go for your next swing. And when you get your next swing, we want to make sure that we take out this higher high here. The higher high there is 0.02 cents. That's what I'm looking for in jasmycoin, guys. It's not going to go in a straight line all the way up. However, we need to flip bullish because we put in higher lows. We need to look at extensions because we've taken back the 200 daily moving average. Things are looking a lot more rosy for jasmycoin. So when things are looking rosy, the swings get bigger. Why do the swings get bigger? Because the sell orders get less. Why do the sell orders get less? Because less people have got conviction in price going down. More people have got conviction in the price going up. It's all about sentiment, guys, sentiment. So that's what I'm looking for in the short term, guys. Let me know in the comments what you want me to cover next. Big level all the way up here, 0.02749. That's the 1272 extension. That's the big 382 retracement from this move. Expect that to be your next big reaction point.